Hello everyone, welcome to IS Doshina. I hope you all are doing very well. So without wasting any of our time, let's move to the topics of the day. Today's topic is Indian Institute of Foreign Trade achieves first position in Times B School ranking 2026. The Indian Institute of Foreign Trade (IIFT) has been ranked first in the Times B School ranking 2026, reaffirming its position as a premier institute in management education with a distinctive focus on international trade and global business. IIFT is an autonomous institution under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India, with campuses at Delhi, Kolkata, Kakinada, and Gift City. Congratulating the institute on securing the top position, Union Minister of Commerce and Industry Shri Piyush Goyal described the achievement as a testament to IIFT's sustained efforts in empowering students with skills, vision, and critical capabilities. He said the institute is playing an important role in shaping future leaders and further strengthening India's presence in the global trading landscape. Expressing satisfaction over the achievement, Commerce Secretary and Chancellor IIFT Shri Rajesh Agarwal stated that the institute's progress reflects its strong academic foundation, expanding global orientation and commitment to excellence. He noted that IIFT supports India's aspiration to emerge as a global powerhouse in international trade and contributes to the vision of Viksit Bharat by nurturing global competent management professionals aligned with national trade, economic, and strategic priorities. Vice Chancellor IIFT Professor Rakesh Mohan Joshi thanked Shri Piyush Goyal and Shri Rajesh Agarwal for their vision and unwavering support and expressed his commitment to achieve excellence in management education in the area of international business by enhancing its academic rigor, policy relevance, industry engagement, and international outreach, integrating present day contemporary realities to its teaching, research, and operations and make it a world class institute. Established in 1963, the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade is a deemed to be university under the Ministry of Commerce and Industry, Government of India. As a premier institution in international trade and business, IIFT offers flagship MBA programs, executive education, and doctoral research contributing to India's growth in global commerce and trade. The institute has campuses at Delhi, Kolkata, Kakinada, and Gift City and is in due of commencing its first offshore campus in Dubai. And National Productivity Council explores strategic convergence for Viksit Bharat. The Indian Institute of Corporate Affairs hosted a high-level delegation from the National Productivity Council led by Srimati Neeraja Shekhar, Director General, and Sri Uma Shankar Prasad, Deputy Director General, to explore areas of collaboration in training, research, productivity, sustainability, and compliance support. The delegation was warmly welcomed by the Director General and CEO IICA Shri Gyaneshwar Kumar Singh, who felicitated the dignitaries with shawl and memento. In his address, the DG and CEO IICA emphasized the growing and evolving demands from industry and the need for institutions to remain relevant to national priorities. He underlined that Indian leaders has articulated a clear vision for the futures and institutions must collectively contribute both individually and collaboratively towards achieving the goal of Viksit Bharat. During the Viksit, detailed presentations were made on IICA's mandate and activities by the heads of various schools and centers. The presentations highlighted IICA's multifaceted role in education, training, research, advocacy, and advisory services, supporting both government and private sector initiatives. Speaking to the interaction, Srimati Neeraja Shekhar, DG NPC, highlighted that NPC was established in 1958, soon after India's independence, when the country faced limited resources and an urgent need to improve productivity. She recalled the historic productivity delegation to Japan, which laid the foundation for institutionalizing productivity efforts in India. Since then, NPC has expanded its work from the industrial sector to agriculture, services, MSMEs, sustainability, green productivity, and ESG linked initiatives. Srimati Shekhar further noted NPC's active engagement with the Asian Productivity Organization, which is APO, facilitating international exposure, inter-country study visits, experts exchanges, and productivity benchmarking frameworks. These initiatives help access industrial readiness, organizational strength, financial capability, and manufacturing maturity, particularly for MSMEs. Both institutions expressed strong intent to move forward collaboratively, combining IICA's strength in policy research, training, and advisory services with NPC's hands on implementation driven productivity expertise to support India's transition towards a high income, competitive, innovative, and sustainable economy. The event was coordinated by Dr. Naveen Sirohi, heads School of Finance and Management, IICA. So this is it for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, like, share and subscribe. Thank you. Have a nice day.